In this video, I'm going to show you how to batch resize images in Photoshop. You may have images with large dimensions and want to reduce their size. Here is a step-by-step guide. Open Photoshop, go to the File menu, hover over Scripts, and click on Image Processor. In the Image Processor window, click Select Folder and choose the folder containing the images you want to resize. Choose where to save the resized images. You can select Save in Same Location or choose a different folder. Under File Type, select Save as JPEG and set the quality, for example 5 or 8 for web. Check Resize to Fit and enter your desired dimensions, for example 1920 by 1080 pixels. Click Run to start the batch processing. Photoshop will resize all the selected images and save them to a new folder, for example JPEG, within the chosen output location. Just wait for the process to complete. Once finished, open the output folder to find your resized images. Right-click on the image and select Properties. Go to the Details tab. As you can see, the dimensions we set earlier.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.